everyone, today I'm showing you one of my favorite products, and it's this folding desk right here. This is in my bedroom and it's like TV tray basically. It folds flat and you can put it away really easy. No assembly at all. It comes straight out of the box. This is a smaller size. I know it comes in a larger size, but it's nice. Sometimes I put my laptop up here if I have a keyboard. I got the smaller one just because I just pull it out when I need to work from upstairs sometimes. But let me just show you how easy it is to assemble. All right, so it's super simple. Let me just take everything off. So this is what the desk looks from the front and the side. And these are metal. It's a metal frame with a fake wood grain. It comes in different colors, but it's definitely sturdy. It's not made out of a cheap plastic material, the whole thing. So it's definitely not a TV tray, but let me just show you. So basically to open it, you want just to slide it open like that, and it's already set up. It takes 2 seconds, and then let me just close it. I usually put it on the floor, and then it just automatically folds up. And then this is how flat it is. It can slide under a bed. I put it behind my dresser. You can't see it. This is it stood up against the wall. I just want to show you how flat it is. I highly suggest this if you're looking for a desk for a small space. Love, love, love it.